I want to talk to you today about two-wheel walkers if you're in the market to buy one, or if you're shopping around wondering whether or not you need a walker or whether a loved one needs a walker. The two-wheel walker basically is built for stability. So if your loved one or you have either painful or two painful legs, or one or two weak legs, say if you've had a stroke and one side is weaker than the other, then a two-wheel walker typically is what we recommend for people as therapists. The two-wheel walker, like I said, is built for stability. It has the two wheels in front. You basically just push it along the ground. This is the traditional walker. There are new designs that are coming out. This is the AbleLife Space Saver walker. So instead of folding out like a butterfly, this one just opens up like an accordion, basically. Locks into place like so. As I was saying, the two-wheel walker basically is made for stability. And so it will support your body weight. Either one of them will support your body weight. Unlike the four-wheel walker, the four-wheel walker is built for speed versus these are built for stability. The way that you collapse this two-wheel walker, there's two locks on either side of it. You just push those in, push that one in, and it's ready to stow. With the AbleLife walker, basically you just pull up on this black knob and it collapses into a nice small little square type of footprint. It's easier to stow, say if you're going on a trip or you want to put it in the back seat of a car. It's a little bit easier to stow than this one. It takes up a little less room. This one's easier to stow behind doors or behind a piece of furniture or something like that, just off to the side or rested against the wall. But they're both basically about the same. They do the same thing. It really depends on what you're looking for. I just wanted to make this video so that you could keep these things in mind if you're in the market to purchase one.